What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate latch on this 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We want to pull this trim off. Just grab underneath here, just pull it straight down. You can use a trim tool. Comes right down, has all these push retainers, a little B in there. Right, there's a connector right here. I'm just going to take a straight blade screwdriver and release the connector right there. And then we'll disconnect the connector. Just a little tab right here. Push down on that tab. Pull it out. Now we're going to take these two bolts out. I'm going to use a hex head socket. It's a 6mm and a ratchet. Right, take that out. You can grab the latch, slide it out here. There's another connector right here. Disconnect that. Just push down on the button, pull it out. Then we can slide the cable off. There we go. Pull that out, and then there's a little hook right here. Just slide it off the hook. And there's the latch. Right, now we're gonna plug this in right here. Now we'll take this retainer right here. That's gonna slide on that hook. And then push the cable back in right here, just like that. We can line this up. That line back up. Take these two fasteners, get these started. Take the 6mm hex socket and the ratchet, tighten these down. That's good. Connect the connector. Line that up, just like that. And then reinsert that there. All right, take this panel, just line the clips up, and just press it back up. And that looks good.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.